Yeast is an active microorganism that can be used in vegetable gardens to control pests, promote growth, or as fuel to break down garden waste. Yeast can be used in a variety of growing media as well as in a variety of forms. Contain potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, chromium, zinc, selenium, sodium, iron, and B vitamins, amino acids and proteins. It is an excellent fertilizer for many vegetables such as tomatoes, eggplant, cucumbers, zucchini, pumpkin. Yeast is a source of phytohormones, enzymes, and amino acids that significantly support plant growth and biomass production even under water stress. Yeast fermentation fertilizer can be used throughout the season, not more often than every 2 weeks. Dissolve 100 grams of fresh yeast in 1 liter of warm water, not hot, so as not to kill the yeast, preferably non-chlorinated, and add a glass of sugar to activate yeast growth. Yeast, when mixed with sugar, produces carbon dioxide gas, which is very beneficial for strong new plant growth. The sugar activates the yeast, thereby increasing fermentation, which helps the vegetables grow healthy and stronger. Close the container and leave it to ferment for 3 days. Let's dilute the ferment for watering. 1 liter ferment for 10 liters of water. Water the soil in which the vegetables grow directly. Fertilizer is applied every 14 days. We use yeast fertilizer as a fertilizer that stimulates the development of the root system and accelerates plant growth. It significantly increases yield, strengthens rooting and increases green mass. In addition, yeast colonizes the roots of plants and enters into symbiosis with them, while protecting them from the attacks of harmful soil microorganisms. ACC. According to the latest research on ecological means of combating vegetable diseases, yeast fights against fungi from the Botrytis cinerea family or those causing gray mold and fungi causing alternariosis and brown rot. It works on the basis of competition for nutrients with pathogenic fungi because yeast is also fungi, but these do not harm our plants. They displace pathogenic fungi, thus strengthening the immunity of the attacked vegetables. Yeast fertilizer stimulates the entry into the next stages of development, e.g. flowering and faster, higher fruiting. By helping in the development of the root system, it also increases the ability to absorb water and nutrients from the ground. At the same time, they reduce the risk of root diseases and the population of harmful microorganisms. Yeast also creates a protective barrier against adverse external factors. They contain many compounds that do not occur or are present in trace amounts in mineral fertilizers. Microbial biofertilizers are able to increase yields and crop quality without large financial and labor costs, which has led to their increased popularity around the world. It is clear from the research that several types of yeast exhibit phytobeneficial characteristics, making them on the list of microbial agents suitable for use as biofertilizers. Yeasts such as Candida, Geotrichum, Rhodotorula, Saccharomyces, and Williopsis have been identified for use in commercial biofertilizers because they are capable of breaking down plant debris and releasing essential elements such as N, P and K. When yeast was co-cultivated with other PGPBs, it was found that they increased their ability to promote cell activation and root division. The use of yeast as a biofertilizer in agriculture has received a lot of interest as it is generally recognized as safe for use in the field and its bioactivity.